I'm right here in Jamaica. This is the in Ligani, in Kingston, and I'm here with the Jamaica Patwa talking doll. She just landed. Come and spend some time with me. Hi Toya, how you doing?
Hi, talking and know the Rawpa crap of my dad Jamaica. Man's air like. What's up, people?
Yeah man, you know this is another big major episode of Jamaica Smiles, and I'm here with Rawpa. You just walk up into the place. So how you doing, man?
You don't know, let me see I represent the Toya. I have to come and make the people know I'm right here as well too.
Yes, yes.
Understand? And obviously see the beautiful hosting. We can't stand one select, so we are ghosting.
Yes. So you're in Jamaica. Tell me 5 things you love about Jamaica.
5 things that's small. Food, the culture, you understand? The fresh breeze.
Yes.
You understand? The vibe, the entertainment in Jamaica. You see me I say?
Yeah.
And most of all, love. Remember now, even walk one Jamaica, some love.
Of course, very loving.
So when they see the love and the unity, sense speed, everything.
Yes. Alright. Just to let you guys know, the Jamaica Patwa talking doll, it's actually available online on zuri.co.uk. If you press her, she talk. See? You need to go check her out. Until next time, guys, I'm Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt She with Rawpa. Go and go follow him on social media. Peace, I'm out.
Love and respect each and every time. You understand? Remember, people, www.zuri.co.uk. At Toya.